Primetime News and a special welcome to those watching on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, struggling to cope. The story of a young boy who witnessed his parents being murdered. Family members are concerned about his well-being. TVJ's Kirk Wright has that story and a psychiatrist's take on the matter.
This little boy will grow up without his parents. Both his parents were murdered by gunmen in separate incidents. Still too young to fully comprehend what happened to them, but the boy is already showing signs of trauma.
One day he said, "Grandma, buy 2 guns now. I make me a go mobile kill the boy, then I kill my mother and father." Sometime he come and he said, "Call God now. Call him and tell him, say, please, may I beg him, just give him back my parents." But Thursday, him just get mad, crying all day and say him want him parents. And then get a sharp stick and he stab up the ground and stab up the ground for hours. He there stabbing up the ground, same killing the devil. Him called me and he said, "Grandma, give me some poison, no? Give me some poison, but I poison the devil."
But the boy may be acting up because it's believed his mother was murdered in his presence.
He tell me that mom get the shot in her head and her teeth lick out. And same like him tell me that my mom died like this, with her foot lap, which she sleep with her foot lap, and that's how I get her. She died with her foot lap. And when I tell him, people like I said, "I just heard that she get shot here," he said, "No, she did not. She get the shot from here and it go here."
Noted psychiatrist Professor Wendell Abel says that exposure to violence will result in emotional and psychological trauma.
It's going to affect your cognitive function. It will affect your bodily response.
And yes, his grandmother says already he has started showing signs of aggression to his peers. Professor Wendell Abel says the boy is simply acting out, and that's normal for someone who is traumatized.
Even requesting gun, to kill victim. We see this often, and it's what we refer to as murderous revenge fantasy that victims sometimes have. You know, as part of the whole need to seek justice and revenge. So it's not unusual.
And this sometimes actually plays out.
It plays out, and some people actually act it out in many communities.
Professor Abel says that the healing process can happen, but
the physical scars will heal, but the psychological scars take a long, long time to heal, if ever at all. And for a child who has witnessed the vicious killing of his mother, these scars may never, never heal. We hope they do.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.